Hey there! In this video, I'm going to run through the workshop instance page and the various functionalities on this page. Firstly, we need to find the workshop by searching for it. This field can be left blank to search for all types. Select your workshop instance by clicking on its name. We're now on the workshop instance view page. There are lots of actions available via the workshop menu bar across the top. Notable ones include Update, Template, and Mailouts. The Update menu allows you to modify the instance. The Template menu allows you to send one or more students a template. Mailouts allows you to send client, trainer, or venue agreements, as well as general one-off emails or SMS. There are also various update icons throughout the workshop view page, which can be used to update certain elements of the workshop. You can add additional billable items for the workshop via this button here. Items can be added to the system via the Finance menu. Underneath the billable items are sections to add workshop notes and financial notes. You can add multiple notes under each section. Finally, at the bottom is a list of our enrolled learners. The 5 options across the top allow you to book learners, mark attendance, print attendance, print certificates, and result outcomes. Note that some of these options may or may not appear depending on your workshop setup. Clicking the learner's name will take you to their contact page. Clicking the letter or letters in the status column will take you to their booking status page. Any invoices attached to the booking will display in the next column. The drop-downs in the column on the right contain actions for that specific booking. Finally, any linked units of competency and their outcomes will display on the far right of the table. In summary, this video has demonstrated some of the functionality available on the workshop instance view page. The following video will demonstrate the bulk duplicate feature.